So if you're an XRP holder, it's been obviously a rough couple of years, right? I'm right there with you. I own XRP, continue to hold it. And actually, be quite honest with you, I've continued to add to my bag. It's part of an overall good diversified strategy. I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP. I definitely believe in owning the blue chips. But I do think there's something going on in the market. I think there's something going on in the market where I think people are getting desperate, and I think that people are getting frustrated, and I think that people are confused and they don't really know where to turn. And so hopefully this video will help maybe alleviate, if you're feeling any of those things, alleviate that, because I'm going to give you some information here that should shed some light and give you some confidence in XRP, but also in any and other all cryptos that you own in the overall crypto market. Okay, so right now, crypto's down, XRP's down 1.39%. Yeah, we know that. Okay. The overall market is down 0.76, but I want to focus you on that number right there. The overall crypto market valuation capitalization. It's 1,910 billion. 2 weeks ago, it was 2,300 plus billion. We've lost $400 billion in market capitalization in a couple of weeks. And it's part of that September drawdown scenario. Now, I think that by the end of September, we might start to see some positive movement back up. But I've got some stats for you that I want to share with you and also show you some historical basis and fact of how this can impact XRP. Now, we're going to be looking at information specifically around Bitcoin, but don't let that dissuade you. Look, even if you don't like Bitcoin, you don't own it, whatever. By the way, side note, not investment advice. You should own Bitcoin. Should. I own Bitcoin right alongside my XRP. But where the crypto market goes, it follows Bitcoin. And it's because of that number right there. Bitcoin dominance is a little shy of 56%. So Bitcoin is 56% of the entire crypto market capitalization. I'm talking about that number is Bitcoin. So do you think that Bitcoin drives the market? Yes. The answer is, if you answered no, you're wrong. It's yes. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you. And this is talking about September and then leading into October. And we're going to take a look at this chart here in just a minute. So I'm going to come back to this, but this is really interesting. So this is talking about the Bitcoin halving cycles. In 2016 Bitcoin halving cycle, we had a 6% up September. That was an anomaly year, followed by a 14% October. 2020 Bitcoin halving cycle in September, the entire crypto market was down 7.5%, followed by a 27+% October upside. And then currently in September right now, 2024, we're currently down 9%. Which leads me to two stats I want to give you. So there is a 54% chance that we're going to end the month of September down one figure, i.e. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9%, one integer, if you will. Okay. There's a 24 to 25% chance that by the end of September, we'll end two places down, two digits, i.e. 10%, 11, 12, 13, 14%, something like that. My point to you is there's an 80% chance that we will end the month of September down. Okay. Now, I have said in videos, and I have, that I think that with the last week of September, we will be coming out of the Bitcoin halving cycle, this cycle. So the last week of September, we'll be entering it. We'll be basically done with the pink box in the upper right-hand corner, about to move us into the green box. Okay. That's when that kind of period begins. Okay. Or rather ends, excuse me. The pink box ends, the green box begins, if you will. Okay. And that's approximately 160 days after the halving over here on the right. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, my picture of me is covering that up. Let me move that down over right here. The 160 days after the halving. Okay. Is when the end of that pink box, which is the last week of September. Okay. With that said, here's what you need to know. All right. September, not great. Historically, let's look at this chart. September, this is it right here. You see where my mouse is moving them down. Look at all of the red in September. And even the green months, and I'm to look at the years. This is going back all the way to 2013. Okay. All of these years, look at even the positive years. We're only up 3.9, 2016 up 6%, 2015 up 2. So the aggregate is that the average for September is across since 2013 is down 5% right here in that gray in the very bottom corner. You guys can see that. Yes, you can. Cool. Okay. Is down 5%. October up 22%. November up 46%. And average for December up 5%. Okay. So October, November, massively good, right? December starts to cool off a little bit. Everybody's focusing on Christmas and, family and yada, 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 all that kind of stuff. Okay. So that's what you need to know. Guys, look, be getting your financial houses in order. It is about to happen. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for the opportunity? Have you been buying more XRP? Yes, I know we got the lawsuit out there. Yes, I know we have the appeals that could happen in approximately October 6th. I know all this, but at the end of the day, how I look at XRP, and I'm going to share with you bottom line, for me, XRP is a long-term investment. I'm not looking to make any money off of this in October, November, January. I'm not. I'm looking to make a lot of money off of this when it goes past its all-time high of $3.70 and it blows past that and goes to, just whatever, $10 more, whatever it may be, right? That's what it's about for me. So there you go. Gave you a lot of data. A lot of information is about to happen. Yeah, it's about to start. And by the way, it's going to start with a whimper, not with a bang. It's not like somebody's going to throw a switch on October 1 or the last week of September and goes, all right, boom, it's everybody come on, it's perfect. No, it starts slow. It starts to gradually move up. And by the way, if you want help with that, look, this is my trading indicator. It will tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell. Links in the description below if you want to check it out. I've got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee, so you can get it and basically try it for free. You can have it set up in 10 minutes. This is the thank you page right here where there's like 8-9 videos that are like a minute long each that will show you how to set it up. Anybody can set this up, by the way, anybody. Okay. All right. I've got 2,000 plus people using this software. So, and by the way, the software costs $1 a day. There's a discount code down there as well. Go get it. See ya. Bye. Have a good one. Go make some money.